Ever thought about waxing but weren't sure where to start? Wondered why so many people swear by it? I'm the waxing man and I'm here to open the door to the world of waxing, answering the questions you're too nervous to ask and making sure you know what's normal and what's not normal. If you're interested in learning more about Hollywood and Brazilian waxing, there's loads more of info and full videos on my website. Link in the comments. Now let's get into today's subject. Comments below and be sure to subscribe and hit that like. Cheers guys, see you again soon.